Oh, that's right, Windows. Forgot. Okay, so I have two mice, a different mouse and keyboard today because I'm using OBS as a monitor for this. Today we're going to use Chocolatey to set up our Windows environment. Okay, first things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge and go to Chocolatey. And we just want to install. Getting started. No, I don't want to subscribe right now. Okay, so we have our Chocolatey instructions. So now we want to open our PowerShell. Run as administrator. Yep, I'm sure. And I think I want to make the font a little bit bigger here. So let's do that really quick. 20, 20, and 24. Okay. There we go. That should be easier to read. Okay. So I want to get our execution policy. It says restricted. So now let's set our execution policy to all signed. Yes, I want to allow that. Okay. Now we just want to copy here and paste here. Okay, before you run this though, it is recommended that you read the PowerShell script. I did give it a once over, and I didn't see anything that was alarming or outstanding, so I'm going to go ahead and run it because it does have a signed block in it. Alright, so let's go ahead and run it. Now we can check if Chocolatey is installed. Oops. Yep, we have 0.10.15. Alright, so I can close that. First thing though, we want to install Chrome, just to make my life happier. What Chocolatey is a PowerShell tool that does package management for you. They say it operates a lot like the apt-get package manager and Yum package manager. And there's everything installed. Alright, so we're going to use Chocolatey to install Terraform, VS Code, AWS CLI, Python, Git, and that'll be good for the right now. For the right now. Oh, let's check this first. No Git installed. Okay. And now we wait. And wait. Good. It installed it all. All right. Let's see. Yep, here's my shortcut to VS Code. Okay. And close. No. Close. Python? Or do I need to exit? Nope, I need to exit. Okay. Because I just made a few command line application installs, I need to exit to verify that they installed, but I know they installed. Okay. Next, I'm going to add a few extras, and oops, what is it? I'm going to install Docker Desktop, Kubernetes CLI, and Minikube. Oh. Control C. I forgot a word. It's very important that you remember all the words when you are installing. We have docked with the desktop. There we go. All right. So there we got all that. Now I want to do one more thing. Okay. Now we need to pause here and configure my PNC. But I'll see you after the reboot. Okay, and we are back. So rebooted. Blur password. That's a new error. Okay. Yes. Next. Apparently this is a Docker install now. Who said Docker could start up on Windows? Yes. Finish. Restart. Oh, okay. Open PowerShell and start hacking with Docker Compose. Start Docker when I log in. Apply. Do you really need to restart for that? Okay. Alright, so it looks like we have all the basics set up. And I can get started in the next video now. And it only took one reboot, and I still haven't put in a key for Windows. Let's get rid of these. Empty, 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 empty. And let's move these. You know what? Let's put them someplace different today. Oh. Why not? Why does Windows key not work? And let's put you at number 4. Okay. So there we go. Alright, I'll figure out the Windows key later. This has been enough to get started. We have a basic Windows DevOps environment. We went over the installing of the Chocolatey and some applications that we need like Docker, Terraform, VS Code, Python. You can install a lot more with Chocolatey. This is just using it to move forward. There are tons of videos out there, including how to create, manage, and maintain your own packages. I'm not doing that today. So we just went over that. A final note, I would like to say thank you for watching, and hopefully you made it this far, and if you could be kind and do that YouTube stuff, and have a good day.